Chief guests of today's function, the Honorable Minister, guests of honors in the Kudoti.
Madam Dr. Nitabale Waikong, IS Director, University. Kumar Singh, IS Director, Education S and State Project Director. I also welcome all the
Please welcome Sir Jinglem Kumbamete, Director, Affluent Delivery in Schools ki Guidebook Amasu, Simply Krabi Marui.
Good morning, everyone. Minister, Education, Law and LA, 2024. Next, Education is Higher and Technical at this profound Teachers' Day celebration.
Ozasigi, Honna Jamana School da Anang Masing Hengalaki, Isagi, Gari Sijinaga Ama Ohenaba, ICT Su Sijinabi, Mahiri. Respected teacher introduced awards to encourage the students to make schooling more attractive. He offered Handli, Amadi, dropouts, Handahali, HSLC Amadi, Higher Secondary Examination Gi, Mahiri Singidamakta, free remedial. Community member singer. Mathang Nasina. Ozagi Mafam Desu Lenyan Fee Certificate Amadi Memento Kudol Tamchari. Matangi Manasina High School Living Certificate Examination Board of Secondary Education Manipur Nalova Exam Masada